We are standing in a pitch black laundry room. I'm going to turn on a very popular branded flashlight sold in North America. As you can see, there's a very evident hot spot in the center of the beam. That's because all flashlights on the market today require secondary optics, making it very difficult to make out the target of which its beam is shining on. So we're going to switch over to the EnviroLux LED flashlight. This flashlight uses one 6.8 watt LED chip that does not require secondary optics. The optics are actually built into the chip. This is a 55-degree beam chip, 4,000 Kelvin temperature. It's also IP66 rated for water resistant. Again, this is the EnviroLux 6.8 watt LED flashlight. We are currently up in the attic to inspect the HVAC unit and its ductwork. Again, we're using a very popular brand of flashlight sold in North America with brand new batteries. Again, you can see it's a very narrow beam with a hot spot in the center. Very difficult to make out anything in the attic at all. So we're going to switch over to the EnviroLux LED flashlight with one LED chip. And as you can see, the whole attic is now illuminated. We can easily make out the HVAC unit, all of the ductwork, the whole attic, everything in the attic we can make out with the LED EnviroLux flashlight. We are in a dark hallway with no power to inspect an electrical smoke alarm, utilizing a popular branded flashlight sold in North America. As you can see, it has a hot spot in the center of its beam, making it very difficult to see the center of the junction box unless you put the pattern of the outside part of the beam over the junction box. This beam is very, very directional, does not really illuminate any of the room that we're in or the hallway, and let alone the junction box. We're going to switch over to the EnviroLux LED flashlight. It utilizes one LED chip, a custom chip that is puts out a 55-degree beam angle. As you can see, we can instantly illuminate the whole room with this flashlight. You can see the inside of the junction box and realize it's time to call an electrician. This flashlight, again, one LED chip with a custom 55-degree beam angle, illuminates the whole room, the target, the walls, the whole hallway with one LED chip. We are underneath the hood of a Ford pickup truck doing a simple maintenance check utilizing a very popular branded flashlight sold in North America. It's very, very difficult to make out too far down into the engine compartment and do our inspection. So we're going to switch over to the EnviroLux LED flashlight, which uses one LED chip. It's a custom chip that has a 55-degree beam angle built into it. As you can see instantly as I turn it on, the whole engine compartment is easily illuminated. We can see all the way down to the garage floor very easily. Again, this is the EnviroLux flashlight. It's an LED flashlight with a custom 55-degree beam angle chip built into it. We are standing in a pitch black backyard using the EnviroLux 6.8 watt LED flashlight to illuminate our way around the pool area. The EnviroLux LED flashlight uses a patented Photon controlled LED chip with a built-in 55-degree beam angle. Standard LED flashlights can only offer between 25 to 28% beam concentration with their LEDs, as they require a secondary optic system. The EnviroLux 6.8 watt LED flashlight, as well as all other EnviroLux Worklights, can control 80% of the LED photons within their beam angle because the optics are actually built into the LED itself and not into a secondary optic system behind the light source. Our LED flashlights and Worklights are also water resistant, IP66 rated for outdoor use, and are environmentally friendly with zero mercury. The dual head EnviroLux flashlight offers the custom wide angle 55-degree beam on one end and a custom narrow 10-degree beam on the other end for more constricted space inspections.